In this video, we explore the bagworm moth's extraordinary skill in building its home. Welcome to Rewind Earth. Please subscribe our channel and share this wonderful moments of nature to family and friends. This is a bagworm moth's larva. You could see the sticks around the larva are not enough to cover its body from birds and predators. Without any delay, the moth climbs up on mint plant, rejected the green branches and chews the dry ones. The larva makes sure the branch's length matches its required size. Now it cuts dry leaves in the branch into small pieces and keeps around. Now, back to work. The larva makes sure the size again by moving up and down on the selected branch. It is important to double check because the time and effort is costly for his survival. It started to cut the bottom branch of the mint plant. You may think, staying at the upper side of the branch and cutting the bottom might make the moth fall down. But the brilliant moth already made a backup plan. It sticks its body to the plant bottom to avoid the fall. Brilliant, right? After cutting down the branch, it measures again. Quality is important. Softening the branch edges is part of the construction. Now, removing the extra pieces from the stick. Extra or lengthy sticks leads to slower its mobility. Holding the required part firmly cuts down the extra piece. The moth now ready with a new stick for its mobile case home. All checkings and softening are completed. How it going to stick the new stick to its body? Let's watch. The moth larva went into the case and closes the main entrance. It keeps the new stick on top of it. Now, on the empty side, the moth creates a new temporary entrance and came out from case. Took the new stick. Wow. Checkings again. After checkings, the moth carefully places the stick on the empty area. The temporary entrance is closed and new stick was fixed successfully. Give a like for the hard work of the moth and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.